What's the meaning of allotment? Allotment. 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 Allotment.
Allotment refers to the act of assigning or distributing something, often a share or portion of land or resources, to someone for their use or benefit. It could also refer to the specific portion or plot of land that is assigned to an individual or group. Essentially, allotment involves dividing something among different parties in a fair and equitable manner. This process ensures that everyone receives a designated amount of the resource or property being allocated, and can use it as they see fit within the guidelines set forth by the distributor.